I bought and tested these cameras so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. As a fellow content creator, I've sifted through the noise to find the best budget-friendly 4K cameras that won't break the bank but will help elevate your filmmaking game. Let's dive in.
Product number 1. eMeet S600 4K Webcam. The eMeet S600 is a game changer for anyone looking to elevate their streaming or content creation without spending a fortune. I remember the day I unboxed it. First impressions were fantastic, with its sleek design and solid build quality. Setting it up was a breeze, thanks to the plug-and-play feature. I plugged it into my laptop and instantly felt the difference. The 4K quality blew me away. It was like seeing my face for the first time in HD. The colors were vivid and the details popped, something that standard webcams just can't match. What's cool is the advanced PDAF autofocus technology that keeps my face sharp even when I'm moving around. This is essential for streamers who need to stay active on camera. I also appreciated the integrated noise reduction mics. My voice came through crystal clear, and the background noise was significantly minimized. This feature is a blessing for those of us who often film in less than ideal environments. The customizable field of view, FOV, allowed me to adjust how much of my surroundings I wanted in the frame, making it versatile for various shooting scenarios. The built-in privacy cover is a thoughtful addition, ensuring that my footage is secure when I'm not filming. This camera has proven to be durable, withstanding the rigors of daily use and even a few accidental bumps. However, I did notice that it requires a good lighting setup to truly shine. In low light conditions, the quality tends to dip, but that's a small trade-off for the price point. In conclusion, if you're serious about streaming or video content creation, the eMeet S600 is a fantastic investment. It's affordable, user-friendly, and delivers exceptional quality, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned creators looking to save.
Product number 2. Cunez 4K Digital Camera. The Cunez 4K digital camera is ideal for aspiring videographers and vloggers. Right out of the box, I was impressed by its compact design and lightweight build. It fits comfortably in my hand and is super easy to carry around for spontaneous shooting. The 180-degree flip screen is a game changer. As someone who loves to vlog, being able to see myself while filming makes a world of difference. It helps me frame shots perfectly, ensuring I'm always in focus. The autofocus feature is surprisingly quick for a camera at this price point. Just a half press of the shutter locks in the focus, and I can capture crisp, clear images. In terms of image quality, the 56 megapixel resolution is fantastic for a camera in this range. My travel photos came out stunning, showing rich colors and intricate details. The 16x zoom is a nice touch, allowing me to get up close to subjects, even when I'm far away. I tested it out on a nature walk, capturing wildlife shots that looked incredible. One of my favorite features is the various shooting modes available via the 360-degree dial. Whether I wanted to shoot in slow motion or set up a self-timer, everything was intuitive and easy to access. I also appreciated the USB transfer capability, which made moving my files to the computer a cinch. However, the sound quality while recording could use some improvement. Using an external mic might be necessary for better audio, especially for vlogging. Overall, the Cunez 4K digital camera is a solid choice for beginners and teens interested in photography or vlogging. It's user-friendly, versatile, and strikes an excellent balance between quality and price.
Product number 3. MWIRB 8K Video Camera. The MWIRB 8K video camera is something special, especially with its capability to shoot in 8K resolution. When I first fired it up, I was amazed at how lightweight and user-friendly it was. The included remote control is a great addition, allowing you to start recording from a distance. No more awkwardly reaching for the camera while trying to get in the shot. The image quality is stunning, with 88 megapixel resolution and 18x digital zoom, making it ideal for capturing all the details. I took it out on a hiking trip, and the footage I got was breathtaking. The advanced 6-axis anti-shake technology meant that even while walking on uneven terrain, the video remained smooth and stable, which is crucial for vlogging on the go. The screen's rotatable feature made framing my shots easy, and I loved being able to see what I was capturing, even from different angles. Another standout feature is the infrared night vision. I filmed some low-light scenes in the woods, and the camera performed surprisingly well, producing clear images that were easy to see. The built-in Wi-Fi allows for quick sharing of my footage to social media, which is a must for any content creator. On the downside, the battery life could be better, especially when shooting in high resolutions like 8K. I found myself needing to recharge more frequently than I'd like.
Nonetheless, for anyone serious about videography, the MWIRB 8K video camera offers incredible features that can take your content to the next level. It's versatile and packed with tools that make it suitable for various shooting scenarios.
Product number 4. Freud's 4K digital camera. The Freud's 4K digital camera is a solid entry-level option for those just starting in photography and videography. The first thing that struck me was its affordability. It's hard to believe you can get a camera like this for under $50. When I took it out for a test run, I was impressed by the ultra-clear 4K video and 64-megapixel photo quality. Whether I was capturing moments at a family gathering or scenic views at the park, the results were vibrant and sharp. The dual lens feature is a standout. Switching between the front and rear cameras is seamless, making it perfect for selfies or vlogging. The autofocus is surprisingly reliable, ensuring my shots came out clear without much hassle. The 16x digital zoom was handy for getting closer to my subjects, and the 2.8-inch display was bright and easy to navigate. I also loved the various shooting modes, which allowed me to experiment with time lapses and continuous shooting. The built-in fill light was a lifesaver for those low light situations. However, the camera does have its limitations. It's not as rugged as more expensive models, and the build quality could feel a bit flimsy. Moreover, the lack of an external microphone input means that sound quality won't match higher-end cameras. Still, for anyone looking for a budget-friendly way to capture their adventures, the Freud's 4K digital camera is a fantastic option. It's lightweight, easy to use, and perfect for spontaneous shooting.
Product number 5. WNO Vlogging Camera. The WNO Vlogging Camera is perfect for anyone looking for a lightweight, portable solution for capturing daily life. The first time I held it, I was struck by how compact it is, easily fitting into my pocket. This made it a great companion for outings where I didn't want to lug around a heavy camera. The one-button recording feature is incredibly user-friendly. I could start shooting without fumbling through menus, which is great for spontaneous moments. The 180-degree rotating lens is a fantastic feature for vlogging. I could easily switch between POV shots and general footage. I took it on a day trip, and the battery life impressed me, lasting up to 7 hours of continuous recording. This means I could capture everything without worrying about running out of juice. The quality is decent for its size. While it won't compete with high-end DSLRs, it does a good job for casual use. The built-in mic picks up sound well, but if you're looking for professional-grade audio, you might want to consider an external mic. The camera also comes with a 32GB memory card, making it ready to go right out of the box. However, I did find that in lower light conditions, the footage wasn't as sharp as I'd hoped. Still, for anyone looking for an affordable, easy-to-use vlogging camera, the WNO Vlogging Camera is a great choice. It's perfect for capturing life's moments without the hassle of complicated setups.